here on the beach. Gonna be cooking up some dinner. We're gonna do a papaya and axis deer salad. So pretty easy. I'm just mixing in some tomatoes, some fresh onion, then a little bit of olive oil, some citrus. We don't have limes, so we're just gonna have to use oranges, but I really prefer limes when I got them. I'm just gonna toss it all in here. I'm gonna grill up the steak, slice it real thin, and then put it inside of a fresh papaya. Just clean out these. This papaya is actually just gonna be what we put our salad in. I call it a salad, but there's no lettuce. Just some vegetables, some fruit, and our venison. A little Maui onion. Bing them on the ukulele. Doesn't get any better than this. What do you think, man?
That's paradise.
Nice and vacuum sealed so it doesn't leak all over the bag. A little bit of garlic salt. That one's always good. I mean, you can put a little sea salt or whatever. A little bit of garlic salt. So we've got our axis deer we got a couple days ago. We've got some fresh papaya, some tomatoes, some onion, some kind of citrus. We seasoned it up. We're gonna grill it, and we're gonna slice it and toss it like a salad with some olive oil, maybe some red wine vinegar, and just put it in our papaya to serve it. I like to just cook it whole and cut it later. It always tends to turn out a little bit better that way. All right, I'm just gonna slice this up nice and thin. I'll kind of chop it up, and then we're gonna toss it in our salad. Stick it in our papaya. Mix it in with our onion. We're gonna coat it with our olive oil and our citrus, and then put it in our papaya. Just essentially using a little salad dressing, a little red wine vinegar, a little olive oil, and some citrus. I like limes, but there weren't any limes, so we're going with mandarins. That works, still sweet. We're just gonna put our salad inside of our papaya. And voila, go to town. Yeah, dude. All right, papaya on the beach, man.
Heck yeah, man.
Oh,
Thank
papaya
you so
salad.
much.
Pork.
Yes, sir.